Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve DevOps practices with Amazon Web Services step by step clearly. To improve your DevOps practices with Amazon Web Services, start by assessing your current processes. Identify the main bottlenecks in your development and operations workflows. Next, set clear goals for what you want to achieve with AWS. Consider areas like faster deployment times, enhanced collaboration, and better scalability. Once you have identified your goals, familiarize yourself with the AWS suite of services relevant to DevOps. AWS offers tools like AWS Code Commit, AWS Code Build, and AWS Code Deploy. Begin by setting up AWS Code Commit for source control. This allows your team to manage code versions efficiently. Next, integrate AWS Code Build to automate your build process. Create a build specification file to define the build commands and environment. Now, configure AWS Code Deploy to automate deployment to your development environments. Choose between different deployment strategies like blue/green or rolling deployments. Implement continuous integration by connecting AWS Code Pipeline to orchestrate your build and deployment processes. This will streamline the workflow from code commit to production. Monitor your applications using AWS CloudWatch. Set up alarms and dashboards to track performance and health metrics. To enhance collaboration, consider using AWS Chatbot with your Amazon Chime or Slack channels. This allows team members to get real-time notifications from AWS services. Consider leveraging infrastructure as code using AWS CloudFormation. This will enable you to manage and provision resources securely and efficiently. Regularly review and iterate on your DevOps practices based on metrics and feedback. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement among your team members. Finally, provide training and resources to your team for AWS best practices. With these steps, you can significantly enhance your DevOps practices using Amazon Web Services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.